Hey guys, it's Scott here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to start affiliate marketing in 2020. I'm going to share 4 principles that you need to implement. Guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we chat about affiliate marketing and how it can fuel your income and your freedom. If you'd like to see videos about this stuff, please subscribe to my channel and tip the bell notification if you'd like to receive notifications when I release the videos. Guys, let's just dive right into the content. Number 1 is to create a plan. Now, you can't just send a link out into the world and think you're going to start earning money. Affiliate marketing doesn't work like that in 2020. Guys, you need to think, a month to 6 months. That is a good time period where you can take baby steps to start earning some income using affiliate marketing. And then you need to make a plan, thinking down the road, a long-term plan of 1 to 5 years. Yes, guys, this you probably see a lot of people making money with affiliate marketing. You see the glitz, the glamour, the Lamborghinis, all that cool stuff. Guys, it is possible, but it doesn't happen overnight. Now, there is a way to expedite your progress and to start making money in month 1 with the right systems, but I'm just explaining that if you try to do things on your own and just think you're gonna, send a link out there and start making money. The truth of it is you need to create a plan and you need to stick with it and be consistent. Principle number 2 is you need to build an audience. Yes, the reason being is that, I just recently did a TikTok video where I said, I did this little skit where it's like, hey, where'd you get those shoes? And the guy's like, I got these shoes on Amazon. Would you like a link? And the guy's like, yeah, send me a link. So then you share your friend, a link with your affiliate code. And sure enough, if that friend buys the shoes, then you would get paid a commission. Guys, that's affiliate marketing is so easy. You essentially refer a product in exchange for a commission. Now, I don't know how comfortable you are just bombarding all of your current friends and saying, hey, here's this. Maybe you do feel comfortable. Maybe that's fine. And but overall, you want to refer products that you love to people that you trust and people where you want them to be grateful, like a friend. Okay, so if you have your small group of friends right here, are you willing to send stuff to them? And now if you're not, then you want to find people that you do feel comfortable sending that stuff to. Now, I'm going to go into the next thing, but overall, an audience is very important. One of the reasons why you want an audience is because it's free marketing. It's organic. It's organic marketing where you don't have to pay. So once you create a list, and that list can be subscribers on YouTube, it can be followers on Instagram, it can be followers on TikTok. Now I say TikTok because we are in 2020, and it could be email subscribers, it could be text message, phone numbers. Overall, you just need a platform, something to be able to share your links, share your value you're going to be adding to people, and if they find value in it, then they will click on your links, buy the stuff that you're promoting, and then you can earn that commission. So what have we gone over? Let's do a recap already. Okay, so number 1, I mentioned you need to create a plan. Number 2, you need to build an audience, and with audience, I want to definitely emphasize you want to attract the right type of people that you want to connect with and work with moving forward, okay? And something else that I want to say with audience is that you really want to do this so that way you own the audience, because, guys, you never know if Facebook's going to shut you down, or Instagram's going to shut you down, or YouTube's channel is going to get shut down, okay? Like, if you build your platform on those and they get shut down, well, then what? So you need to have some other sources, some other places of audience, and it's great because you can help promote each other. But text messages are great. Email addresses are fantastic because you actually own them. No one's going to shut that down. No one's gonna shut down you sending text messages. So, and I say text messages because that is also something growing and trending right here in 2020. Okay, so number 3 is to pick a platform to start this whole business, okay? To start affiliate marketing. Like, where is your audience? Where are they hanging out? Are they on TikTok right now? Maybe, maybe not. Are they on YouTube? Are people actively searching, hey, how can I make a buck online? Or are you doing some really creative videos and stories on Instagram? Whatever that may be. What my suggestion to you is, what platform do you currently use and like? Okay? And then I also would say, like, go with the trends. I just recently started the TikTok channel, and I'm already seeing more traction on that than other platforms. So that would be a suggestion for you. And the great thing is you can use these platforms to promote other platforms. So you can be like, hey guys, anyone watching me on TikTok, follow me onto YouTube. And then from YouTube, you're getting their emails. You see that cycle there? And you get their email, and then you're able to then share more stuff with them and email offers and cool things that you're doing. And overall, and this is not even something that I mentioned. Let's do number 4, and then I'll do 5, the little bonus. So let's say this is the bonus. Guys, you want to be adding value to your audience, okay? This is huge. You have to add value. You have to gain trust from your followers. Your audience needs to like you. You need to entertain them. You have to help them. If you can help solve people's problems, then you'll be successful with affiliate marketing in 2020. Okay, number 4, this is the real number 4, is you need to pick a niche, okay? So there's all sorts of things you can do affiliate marketing for. So literally, if you want to do men's shoes or women's shoes or shoes in general, great. Now, if you're into mountain biking, fantastic. You can build a blog and a YouTube channel and a TikTok all about mountain bikes. And then what you do is then you would find products. So maybe you work with a mountain bike company and you say, hey, I'm going to be referring, all sorts of your products. Can I get a commission? And maybe companies already have an affiliate marketing program. So you go onto their websites and you see on the bottom there, it says affiliate marketing. That's where you would sign up and become a partner or become an affiliate or an associate for that platform, and then start creating content. So if you're already a big mountain biker and you love mountain biking and you're like, oh, this is my passion, I can create a website, I can create a YouTube, and I can go to Amazon. There's so many products just on Amazon I can promote that have to do with mountain bikes. So that's just one avenue. You create a blog about, hey, how to find the right mountain bike shoes, okay? The right mountain bike handlebars, the brand new handlebars that came out in 2020. Okay, those are all the things where you can get searched and found online, whether it's YouTube, your own blog, on Pinterest, on TikTok, whatever it is. And you have to funnel these people into an offer, and that I'll go into later. But guys, the biggest niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, health would be like how to lose 20 pounds, right? Like everybody would want that, or how to get big muscles. Okay, wealth is like how to make passive income online, how to make $10,000 a month. Okay, like everybody wants that, right? And then relationships, like how to score the hottest girl, or like how to get a girlfriend, or how to get a boyfriend, that kind of stuff. Like how to save your marriage, how to get along with your kids, how to be the best parent, that type of thing. Those are all relationships. So usually those are the 3 big categories, and usually you can trickle down and niche and sub-niche beyond that, okay? So like my channel is all about making money online. So that's wealth. And then I go into more affiliate marketing, and then I kind of go into more digital affiliate marketing. So guys, picking a niche can be really hard, and it can hinder your progress, like literally, because you got to figure out what that niche is, and then you want to create a brand, and then it's like, okay, now do I want to be on Pinterest, Instagram, all that good stuff. Guys, if you're just starting here in 2020, Like, you just need to take action. You need to take these steps. And if you don't take the steps, you're gonna be back here and you will not be making money. So what's your goal? Do you want to be making money? If so, you gotta take these steps and progress. So don't take that long to look for that perfect domain name and niche and branding and all that stuff. Like, I would seriously suggest, like, just using your current name and, you know, whatever your niche is, just start adding to it. The great thing is that, you know, my suggestion is to kind of, you know, have the freedom and the desire to do any affiliate marketing thing that you want to do, you know, whatever niche you want to do. But if you're stuck and you don't know, guys, there's a big trend right now with digital products and with high ticket affiliate marketing. And so there's a program, and this is a little bit of a plug, but it's also a suggestion, that if you're wanting to do affiliate marketing and start making big commissions and using the power of the internet and specifically the power of YouTube, because video is just increasing. I mean, think about TikTok alone, short little videos, like, people can get found and there's millions of views, and YouTube is big. So guys, let's recap here again, okay? So what is that little suggestion that I mentioned? So rather than you having to pick your own niche, I can share with you a program that already picks your niche. It already picks your audience. And the great thing is you don't have to create these big long videos. It's really a copy and paste system where you copy and paste a video and implement it into your own YouTube channel. Guys, this is called the Six Figure Partner Program. There's a link below where you can sign up and you can start here in 2020. This product just rolled out. This is a great opportunity if you don't have a place to start. Now, is it free? No, it is not free. Is it cheap? No, it is not cheap. You're paying for the right system. You're paying for the right mentors. You're paying for the right group. And overall just help getting you set up with affiliate marketing. But then beyond that, it's kind of a plug and play system. So if you don't have much time, this is a great way to make profitable high ticket sales with little work, but it overall gives you the foundation and the structure, and then you can go from beyond. But guys, that is a suggestion that I see as an opportunity right now, but that's just one suggestion. So overall, my goal of this video is to help you understand that affiliate marketing doesn't just pop off and start making all this money all at once, but you do need to make a plan. You do need to have an audience. You do need to have a specific platform where you are doing free marketing, organic marketing, and then number 4, you need to pick the right niche that you want to go into. And then, as I mentioned, you want to overall provide value, but it's good to choose and purchase systems. You know, get into a course, learn from the right people that are doing this, that have gone through, that have expertise and knowledge up and above yours, because if not, then you can spend a lot of time and a lot of money kind of struggling when you can get there much faster with a system like the Six Figure Partner Program, or there's lots of other systems. So guys, overall, hope you found value in this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Comment below if you are just starting affiliate marketing. Comment if you have any questions. Comment if you're interested in the Six Figure Partner Program. You guys, once again, I've got a link below for that. And then guys, I'm also want to be there to reach out to you. So I've got a link for my Facebook Messenger where you can message me directly and I can hopefully answer some of your questions. Guys, once again, hope you liked the video, hope you liked the channel. If you did, please subscribe, tip the bell. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.